Hello everyone, this is week 8 and this week our group has been working together to fix the issues we have been facing over the past 2 weeks. Sudha is working on the user evolution report and I'm also supporting her and helping her to make the documentation whenever needed. We also have the second submission of our reflective diary due on this Thursday, so we are each working on that individually. On the technical side, I have explored both the backend and front-end environments, and everything is now running smoothly locally. And our team next plan is to host the application globally. I'm also helping the team with issues fixing using some machine learning techniques as we are researching and exploring regarding this. Overall, I can say this week is quite we are slow but we are making progress, and we are hopeful that we will resolve the remaining issues by the end of this week. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karan from Grp2, and this week I was working alongside with Priyanka in the hazard page, and we were able to fix the hazard page. So we used WebSockets and also Postgres listen and notify feature for it, and we were able to submit the issues and get and see the current hazard, like the recent hazards that you report. So we're trying to add a few more features to it, but so far we're able to submit it. So this was a huge progress for us, as last week we were facing a lot of issues and also a few backend issues, a few databases issues which we met in person and we resolved it. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Sai Priyanka Basashankar from Grp2. This week I'm collaborating with Karan to fix the hazard page. And last week we were doing the same thing, but we didn't have enough time to fix all the issues and then work on the hazard page because we kept getting uh, errors. But we fixed the errors, but that took most of the time. So we are continuing the same task this week as well, to make sure users get real-time update when one of the user uploads any image or any reports a hazard. We are still working on it, and hopefully by Friday we'll be finishing that. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shalini, and for this sprint in Sprint 6, I focused on the backend foundation of suggested routes page, especially how we will generate both the safest and fastest route options successfully. So I researched over 25 research papers on machine learning, spatial analytics, and hazard modeling, as well as PostGIS-based routing. I explored different technologies, including PostGIS spatial functions, geospatial scoring, and crime and hazard rating as well as the possibility of using machine learning models for safety predictions. I'm also researching into WebSockets and external APIs based on Brendan's suggestions, especially if we need a more simpler and more reliable architecture. One challenge I face is deciding whether to implement a full ML-based route scoring model or use a lighter rule-based scoring system. But currently I'm working through the complexity of combining those calculations within the same algorithm. So for the remainder of the sprint, my plan is to finalize the safest and fastest route scoring strategy, decide between ML and non-ML scoring based on feasibility with my group, as well as testing WebSocket and API-driven approach for updating hazards and route changes, and continue my work on that. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Huda Ibrahim from Grp2, this week 8. This week we agreed as a team that I'm going to work on the UX evaluation report and the PPT. Hannah will be helping me on some sections of the report. Also, I'm collecting data for the questionnaire that we created and interviewing some friends to get feedback about the app. On the other hand, I am continue working on hosting the app externally, and I succeed in hosting the database, creating the database and backend, but still facing some issues with front end. due to the course origin link, and hopefully it will be fixed by Friday. Thank you.